side hustles hardly anybody is talking about. And number 3 is going to blow you away. So be sure to watch the video until the end. Now, you know how you see people making TikToks and all these reels for 15 and 30 seconds and you think like, this is dumb. Well, let me tell you, there is a science to doing that. It drives people to your affiliate marketing links. So this is where the side hustle part comes in. There are programs called attraction marketing where you can make commission helping other people to learn how to do that, like how to attract the right clients to your links from 15 and 30-second reels. So if you want to learn about that, the link is going to be in the description below. The second side hustle is from our friends over at Home Business Academy. It's simply where you make a commission by telling people about a $25 all-in-one digital business. Now, this digital business is quite easy to sell. You know why? Because so many entrepreneurs starting a business don't have systems in place or don't know what systems to get, and then they wonder why their business flops, right? So this $25 all-in-one business, it comes with a funnel, it comes with a landing page and website. It even gives you the email swipes so that you can do email marketing to your potential new clients. So again, that link is in the description box below. And like I said, this is a super easy sale. You get 80% commission every time somebody buys this product. And how many entrepreneurs do you know who actually made money in their business without a website? I'll wait. Now, before I get to the final side hustle that hardly anybody's talking about, which one are you likely to start? Will you learn how to do 30-second reels and TikToks to drive clients to your product? Or will you help people to learn about the $25 all-in-one business? Let me know, and I'm going to tell you this. I actually use both myself, and with the 15 and 30-second reels, I started doing that 2 years ago. And when I tell you that works, it really works. I can sell almost anything because of 15 and 30-second reels. I'm gonna show you my statistics on my website, but literally every day, hundreds of people go to my website, look at my offerings, and they buy. Now, the third side hustle hardly anyone is talking about is a network marketing company called Live Good. Now, Live Good is a great side hustle because you can earn in 6 different ways. Okay, 6 ways. And, you know, because it's a multi-level marketing company, when somebody comes in under you, you can get paid 15 levels deep. So when you bring in, say, for example, you bring in 10 people in your first 30 days, then those 10 people bring in 10 people, then those 10 people bring in 10 people, and so on and so forth. And you can get paid 15 levels deep, and you can get paid 6 different ways. Wow. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video about 3 side hustles hardly anybody is talking about. Now, the great thing about all 3 of these side hustles is that you can do them from home, from your phone. All right. And, you know, most of these side hustles are an easy $100 to $600 a day. Okay, so that stuff adds up. It really adds up, and it can really grow fast. So if you have any questions about any of these side hustles, be sure to post them in the description box below. I do read each and every one. I am Katina Willis. I thank you for visiting my channel. If it's your first time here, be sure to hit that subscribe. And if you like this video, be sure to like it. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Take care. See you at the top. That's where I'll see you. See you at the top.